Oh no! Fire! And Amber is trapped. Hey Frank, are you going to put out the fire? Don't slow down. Amber needs you. Are you feeling sick? Uh-oh, your hose is blocked. Let's go to Tom's garage. Hey, Tom, what a beautiful sunny day. Frank's hose is full of slime. Can you help? We better start the inspection. That slime totally blocked your hose. Tom, can you unblock it? Great, let's get to work. Frank, can you try to throw water? Don't worry, you'll be fixed in no time. What tool will you use? That hammer might work. Now, let's see if it worked. Turn it on, Frank. Oops, still blocked. Almost there. What else do you have? A hot water gun. Perfect. You did it! And got clean, too! You look much better. Ready to put out the fire?
Yeah!
Yay!
Looks like Tom has something else for you.
Woo!
Aha! An extra hose in case yours gets slime again.
Hey!
Thanks, Tom. Bye-bye for now. Quick, the fire is spreading. Yes, no more blockage.
Okay.
Oh no, the slime blocked it again. Use your extra hose.
Hey!
You did it. Good job.
Hey!
That pill will clear up all the slime in your hose.
Num num num. Hey! Yeah!
Hey, Super Drill, are you clearing the track for Troy? Better hurry up before he gets here. Uh-oh, he's coming. Isn't the drill going through? You need to get off the track. Watch out! Hey, Tom, Super Drill and Troy are both hurt. They both need a repair. Who'll go first? Troy, just wait. We'll be right back. Let's do the inspection. You definitely need a new drill. And a broken bumper is not a good look. Tom, ready to start? Let's cut off the broken drill. Yes, a power saw will work perfectly. Wait, you need to hold it so it doesn't fall on Super Drill. Good one. Now you can work. Do you have the right drill?
Yay!
That's the one. Good. You'll need the welding machine and safety goggles. Nicely done. Now for the broken bumper. Which one suits Super Drill? That's the right one. Super Drill is finally back to normal. Ready to go back and help Troy? Tom, do you have something else for Super Drill? An extra bumper, just in case you need a new one. Aha! The new bumper is for Troy. Tom, you'll need to tow Troy away from the boulder first. Okay, Super Drill, you can start drilling.
Yay!
Tom, better start repairing Troy. Yay! Troy is finally back to normal. The train track is finally clear. Thanks for your help. Great teamwork.